What you're looking at right now is fully functional SaaS productivity app. It has a dashboard, task creation, a database, a backend API, and a beautiful dark UI. And do you know what? I didn't hire a developer. I didn't spend weeks coding. I built this in about 10 minutes using Claude AI. And this video is all about I'm going to show you exactly how I did it step by step so that you can do the same. So let's go. So first, what is Claude? Claude is an AI assistant made by Anthropic. Think of it like a chat GPT, but a lot of people, including me, find it better at writing codes and following complex instructions, right? You can use it for writing, researching, answering questions, but today we are using it for something way more exciting, building a real web application from scratch. You go to cloud.ai, sign up for free, and you are ready. That's it. No installation, no setup. Second thing that I would like to say, the most important thing when using cloud or any AI, how you ask, how you write the prompt is the major function. This is called your prompt, right? A bad prompt gives you bad result. If you give good prompt, it will give you a magical answer, right? So what I am giving here is the exact prompt. I will write in my description as well. Build a complete SaaS productivity tracker. Features: task creation, mark task complete, dashboard, tech stack, front end should be HTML, CSS, JavaScript that you already know. Backend, fast API, database should be SQLite, output should be, it should be folder structure, code for all files, instructions to run in Visual Studio Code. That's it. One paragraph, and Claude gave me a complete working application. Backend is there, front end is there, database, everything is there. Let me show you what it generated. Look at this. Cloud gave me 6 complete files, all the code I need. Let me walk you through what each one does. First, main.python. This is backend. It's fast API server with 5 API endpoints. It's handling creating task, reading task, updating task, deleting task, and getting the dashboard statistics all connected to SQLite database that it creates automatically. Second, index.html, the front end, the entire user interface, the sidebar, dashboard, task view, model pop up, all in one. Third, style.csv. CSV, I hope you know that it's used as in styling your website, a dark professional design that it has taken up with custom fonts, animation, hover effect is there. Claude even choose a distinctive color scheme that I can see. Fourth, app.js, JavaScript is there, which makes it interactive, fetching data from all the API, rendering task, handling button clicks, keyboard shortcuts. That's great. And finally, the requirements.txt and readme with step by step instructions there. So, Claude didn't just write a code, it wrote a complete project, fully organized and ready to use. Now let me show you how to actually get this running. I'm going to do this live so you can follow along exactly. Cloud. Step 4, install the dependencies. Now type pip install requirements, install fast API, UVCon and everything else Cloud specified. Then the last step, step 5, start the server. Navigate into the backend folder, the CD backend, then run, and then you can see the whole website, right? And here it is, our fully working SaaS productivity app. Let me show you what it can do. The dashboard shows our stats, total tasks pending, completed, completion rate. There's also priority breakdown chart and a list of recent tasks. So you can click new task. I can add a title, a description, set the priority high, medium or low, and a category. And then you can even hit create task anytime. Boom, the task appear instantly, no page reload, the dashboard stats update in real time. And yes, once I click the checkbox to mark it done, it moves to completed and our completion rate goes up. In all task view, I can filter up my priority. The completed tab shows everything I have finished. And here is the bonus. Claude built us a full REST API with automatic documentation. I can test every endpoint here in the browser. All of this from zero to fully working in about 10 minutes. So I hope now you got to know how powerful AI is working. Claude.ai, right? Like, it's awesome. So tips and what to do in the next whenever you're creating any project. So I'm giving you some of the tips that you can have it. Be specific in your prompts. The more detail you give Claude, the better outcome you will receive. Mention your tech stack, your features, and your expected output format. Ask Claude to explain the code. Explain what main.py does, and Claude will walk you through it. Even you can add features one at a time. Ask Cloud to add user login, the deadlines. And that's it. A complete working beautiful SaaS productivity app built with Cloud in minutes, not months. If you found this useful, hit the like button. It genuinely helps the channel grow, and subscribe so you don't miss the next video where I will show you how to add user login and deploy this app live on the internet for free, right? So like, share, subscribe, and comment if you have any doubts. Thank you.